Hi, considering the fact you've clicked on this video, you're probably a degenerate like me. That means you've probably seen this video. Well, let me tell you one thing about that video. It's trash, doo-doo, stinky, and most importantly, it is factually incorrect. Professor LeMMiNo stated that according to Schrödinger's Schlong experiment, a trap is not gay as long as its penis is not observed, and thus ignorance is key. This is incorrect for the simple fact that one does not need to observe a trap's penis for it to be gay. I call this principle secondary observation. Because if one knows that a trap has a penis, then that person, through observation of another person, has technically observed the penis, meaning it is gay. This means that through secondary observation, a trap is and will be gay forever. Therefore, in this video, I, an expert in quantum mechanics, will determine whether traps are gay using quantum mechanics, based on findings by Professor Animaniacs. Here's how it works. Whenever a trap's penis is observed by anyone ever, it becomes gay for everyone who knows about that observation. So, absolute ignorance is still bliss. Not normal ignorance, because you can ignore the fact, but that will not change that fact. If you do not know about the fact in the first place, then it's just perfect. You can just love traps and not be gay. But is it possible? And here, to be honest, I struggled. So I looked for help and I went to the smartest group of people I knew. Yeah, big mistake. And then I asked them, are traps gay? A very simple question. You see, my theory was simple. If they knew traps had a pee-pee, they would answer yes. And if they didn't know that, they would answer no. Thus, at least until now, they had achieved absolute ignorance. And it turns out, to this question, 84% had an answer that would come down to yes. So, it would appear that traps, according to these results, are indeed gay. But what if there are certain traps that aren't gay? We must know this because if Felix were to be gay, no one would care. But if Astolfo were gay, it would be dramatic and mean the end for the world as we know it. According to Heisenberg's principle of uncertainty, one cannot know both the presence of a PP and the potential owner of the PP. And in conclusion, it depends on a great many factors. And most importantly, further research needs to be done. And based on further results from these polls, we will be able to determine once and for all whether traps are gay. So, I'm calling on all of you. Use the link in the description or in the comments to join the Discord or directly do the survey. Give your answer so that we can figure out whether traps are gay. Stay tuned for part 2. Subscribe.